This is my bike. It's actually a Rooster Big Daddy. Don't look like it anymore. Took the stickers off. Brakes. Took these little circle things off my grips. Seat fell off, so yeah. Got a massive sprocket. Not nice. Got these gay little reflectors on my pedals. 20-inch wheels. And well, here's the hub sound. Could be better, but you know. 360 gyro, not that I need it anymore because obviously I've took my brakes off. Problems with this bike, so I think it's the stem where it's really weak. Whenever I land a jump wrong or stunt, my handlebars move in awkward positions. And also, I think it's the headset. It's always rattling, really annoying. I recommend this bike to beginners, but you've got to be willing to put up with some bad things. So it is a bit of a, well, it falls apart a lot. Yeah.